So inside the Windows environment, currently Office has been disabled. So if you're editing your Word document, you'll have to do it on your own machine. And one of the issues with this will be that you need to get it into the university desktop so that you can use the Respondus software. So probably the easiest way to do that is to use Box. So you can see what I've done is I've created a folder inside Box on my own machine, and I've simply uploaded the MCQ file here, and then I've downloaded it. Now I've created a folder here called MCQ, and you can see that I've downloaded the file and I've put it in here. What I'll do is when I create my QTI file, which will look like a zip file, that'll end up in here as well with a bit of luck. To get Respondus working, you'll have to install it, and the way to do that is to go into Apps Anywhere, and if you search for Respondus, you'll get the Respondus Campus panel popping up, and we can install it. And here we are. I'll just cancel that. This is the interface Respondus. I'll just shut these other windows down. There we go. Now, this is the standard opening page for Respondus. And what we're going to do is we'll import our Word document into Respondus, and then from there we'll export a QTI file.